Present simple tense. The verb to be. We use to be to say who we are. For example, I'm Irina. I'm an English teacher. They are my sisters. They are doctors. We also use to be to talk about the weather. It's cold today. It's usually hot here. To be can be used to talk about the time. It's 10 o'clock. It's 4:30. We use to be to talk about people's age. I'm 37 years old. They are 80 years old. We can use to be to talk about how we feel. I'm happy. He isn't bored. We use to be to describe things. It's an old film. This car is expensive. To be has three forms. We use am for I, is for he, she, it, and are for we, you, they. How to form a positive sentence? We use subject plus am, is, are. For example, I am a teacher. We use am for I. He is at home. We use is for he. They are happy. We use are for they. For negative sentence, we use subject plus am, is, are plus not. For example, I am not a teacher. He is not at home. They are not happy. In interrogative question, we change the position of subject and am is are. We use am is are plus subject. For example, am I a teacher? Is he at home? Are they happy? In positive sentence, we use subject plus am is are, but in a question, we use am is are plus subject. When the question has a question word, we put it into first place. After that, we use am is are and subject. For example, what teacher are you? Where is he? Why are they happy? In the first question, what teacher are you? We put teacher to a question word because the subject of the sentence is you. So teacher refers to what? Remember, we never use the verb to be plus another verb. We use the verb to be or other verb in the present simple. We never use them together. For example, we say, I am a teacher or I work as a teacher. But we never say I am work as a teacher. She is at home or she goes home. But we never say she is goes home.